Welcome to this video, which is part of a series on an introduction to functional programming using Scheme. The presentations were created by Professor Mark Kovatsa at the University of Greenwich, and there is extra material provided by Dr. Yasmin Arafa, Professor Cornelia Boldareff and Dr. Ralph Bartel. My name's Andy Wicks, and any errors in this video are mine and all mine. So let's get going. Welcome to the third of the three functional programming friends that we're going to be using in Python. This also cycles through a list. It's called reduce, and it's called from the functional programming package func_tools because we need the reduce code. It's the only time we do need it in these videos. What we've got here is a particular method that goes through a list and produces one and only one result. So in this case, we're going to go through the grades and find the total of those grades. What we've got is a function that takes two arguments, A and B. A is whatever it's working on and B is the next item. And it'll cycle through this list of grades, calculating A plus B. In other words, it adds up as it goes along. And that total goes in the variable total. So we can now produce an average quite easily. We can do exactly the same again using standard Python code. Again, we've got a list of grades, we set total to 0, and then we cycle through the grades, adding each grade in turn to total. And again we can print out the average. So both of these should give us exactly the same result. And as you can see, that's exactly what's happened. However, the functional programming version is considerably shorter and neater, and that makes your code easier to read. It's easier for you and it's easier for the person who's following you.